Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you will all fine. So guys, today we will discuss about amount of insurance. So what is amount of insurance and we should take it? So let's start. Amount of insurance. Your premium will vary depending on the replacement cost of your home. Remember, the cost of actually rebuild your home may current exceed its current market value or sales price. Talk to your agent to find out if you have an adequate amount of coverage. So, credit history. Under federal law, it means Fair Credit Reporting (ACT). Insurance companies can use credit history as one factor that impacts your homeowner rate. They may assign you an insurance score based on your credit history. They use your score as one factor to decide whether to accept or decline your coverage or how much to charge you. However, the insurance commissioner believe the use of credit information in insurance inherently unfair. The law limits use of certain information in credit scoring. For more information, go to www.insurance.wa Government Home Insurance Claims History. Some companies may charge you more based on the number of claims you have filed. They may even cancel your coverage if you made several claims. Every company is different. Talk to your agent to find out how his or her companies handle claim history. Reducing your rates. Every insurance company that provides homeowner coverage uses its own package of special discounts to market its products to particular types of customers. The following list contains suggestions on how to reduce your rates. Be sure to ask your agent about member discounts. Some insurers offer a discount when you are a member of an affiliated organization. Long-time customers. Some insurance offers discount to long-time customer with no claim history. Multiple policies. If you have your home, auto, liability and other policies with the same company, it may offer a discount. Protection devices. If you have smoke detector, burglar alarms and automatic sprinkler system, the company may offer a discount. In addition to discount the listed above, you have want to think about choosing a high deductible to reduce your rates. If you have a lane holder, they may require a minimum deductible amount. So prepare ahead to ease the claim process. Insurance is something you hope you never have to use, but if you should ever need to file a claim after experiencing a loss, the following suggestion can make the process easier. Return inventory. Create and regularly update and return inventory of your home's video or photographic records. videotape or photograph the content of your home and exterior from different viewpoints and angles. Notify your agent or insurance company. Ask your agent or insurance company what document form and other data you need to get your claim proceeds.